Hi guys. So a quick analysis of your study, but having said that, today I'm going to talk about two trades that I took, and the phase two of the evaluation has just been passed, so that's amazing. And I'm going to show you guys. So we've hit the target, and the account status is passed. Typically for phase two, we get 60 days, and so this was a slightly longer one. Normally, I do believe you can, pass your challenges in about 2 to 3 weeks. But having said that, this past few weeks we didn't really have any good setups to be really fair. And so yeah, but I'll just show you guys how I did that. So this final trade that I took was today. Now, this is something that you guys have to be really, very mindful of just because this candle here was CPI news, guys. All right. And not always is going to go in favor. So if you are trading news, you need to watch your risk management. So I'll tell you guys why I took this trade. So basically, I'm just going to turn all of this off just so that you guys can see this clearly. Okay, so literally we were on uptrend. You can see my 200. I took this on a 3 minute actually. So we are on uptrend in the lowest time frame and on most time frames. Right. So we were teetering here, and I did know that we were going to go bullish. And I'll tell you guys shortly why I did feel like we were going to hit this target here. Having said that, so I waited for a break of structure here. So on this high, I waited for a break on a 3 minute, 1 minute, 3 minutes is what I was looking for. And I entered and I put my stop loss right below this zone right here. Okay, so that gave me a stop loss of 51 pips. So this was a slightly high risk trade. I was willing to lose up to 2% of my account, but I typically the lot size that I took was only 1.5% of my account risk. Okay. Having said that, I'm going to show you guys. So this was where I hit. I'll tell you guys why I was pretty confident it was going to go up there. Just because if you were to see this on a daily or a 12 out here, I've got the daily here. Let's pull the daily. So you can see prices coming. It has come up here. Can you guys see this? Right? It has come up here a few times and price was making its way up. We were very bullish on all time frames, right? So this was the target initially that I didn't need that just because I've already hit the target for passing it. So, but I do feel price will come up, probably do a liquidity. This could be a liquidity on its own, and then obviously we're going to have a retracement down because clearly we do have a nice fair value gaps, right? If I mean, I don't want to do analysis right now, but yeah, we have a fair value gap, so price could literally retrace, respect the fair value gap, and do a upward momentum, or it could break through and then we have a downward fall. Okay, so this could literally just be a liquidity sweep for future references, just in case you guys just be mindful of this area. Okay, so that was the reason why I thought at the bare minimum for today, price is gonna take this 2 weeks out. Okay, which it did, and it's still it hasn't gone up yet, guys. All right, so this is the reason why I was confident on this, just because I felt the news was going to take this out and later retrace down. He hasn't done his retracement down fully yet, so I'll just wait to see what it does. Okay, so that was that for today. Just using trends and break of structure, guys. Sorry for the noise. I've got some works going on outside. And this was a trade that I took yesterday, basically. Uh, I'm just trying to see which time frame I took this. Okay, I think I would have taken it on this. So we were on a down. So again, we were on an uptrend. I was waiting for retracement to happen. Came out, took liquidity on this area. You can see here, took a liquidity. So in fact, you can see it formed like a head and shoulder pattern. So here at this candle, we could have entered, but I waited a little bit more because this candle, if you see the high, it did not close above the wicks of this high here. So I wanted something, another push up just to give me the extra confirmation, which I got it with this candle. This, can you see this white candle here? So which is why I entered there. And then I actually put it for a lot more higher. It did not. So I think I to be honest, I can't remember where it came out, but yeah, I did come out in a good profit. I think it was I took this on a 2% risk reward, so I made about 2% on this. So it was over 2,000, guys, 2% 2.3%. So yeah, so that was another trade that I took yesterday as well. So just thought I'll show you guys my pip analysis of my trades. I mean, trade recaps really, and yeah, and how I passed my challenge. So sometimes, guys, all we need is really just a good setup, a proper trend that's a chart that's trending, and then you literally just have to wait for the right break of structure, right POIs, and then to enter. And you basically, it's actually, I'm not going to say it's easy to pass a challenge, but what I do think is it needs a lot of patience. You need to be very patient. You need to watch your risk management, and you just can't enter every single trade if that makes sense. Wait for the right setup and then enter where you think you're most confident that this probably will play out the way that it should. And yeah, and if it doesn't, it's okay. You know, if you have watched your risk management well, then if a trade doesn't set up and if the trade doesn't go well, it's fine because you always can take another trade and make that money back. So yeah, so this is another 100K challenge passed, and I thought I'd just show you guys how I do that. Right, so see you guys in another video.